there, superstars. I'm teacher Aubrey, and I'm so happy to be your guide on this fun learning adventure. In today's lesson, we're going to do something really cool together. So grab your smile, bring your curiosity, and let's dive in. Are you ready? Let's go. AI Art Gallery. Transform personal photos into stunning AI art. General introduction. Begin with a warm welcome to students and explain how AI can help turn simple photos into works of art. Introduce the value of the course. Students will master the entire process, from selecting photos, applying artistic styles, designing layouts, to showcasing their work online. AI tools used: Meta AI or Gemini Flash, Canva, and Halo. Chapter 1. Selecting photos and art styles. Explain which types of photos work best for artistic transformation. High-quality portraits. Group photos. High-resolution landscapes. Practice activity. Each student uploads 3 photos, 1 portrait, 1 group photo, and 1 landscape. Choose one art style from Impressionism, Surrealism, or Pop art. Learn the characteristics of each style through illustrated examples. Chapter 2. Applying art styles using Meta AI or Gemini Flash. Detailed instructions on how to use Meta AI or Gemini Flash. How to upload a photo. How to select preset styles. Compare results from both tools if applicable. Practice activity. Each student chooses 1 photo and applies 3 different styles. Evaluate the results based on color, layout, and emotional expression. Chapter 3. Designing the gallery layout with Canva. Introduction to gallery layout concepts. Grid layouts. Horizontal y vertical framing. Virtual exhibition rooms. Practice activity. Students select 3 edited photos and arrange them in Canva. Choose a background, add borders and titles. Adjust image sizes to create visual focus. Chapter 4. Adding art descriptions. Guide on writing art descriptions. Title of the artwork. Introduction to the chosen style. Inspiration behind the artwork. Example, emotion, photo context. Practice activity. Write descriptions for all 3 artworks. Practice writing concise, emotional, and engaging sentences. Chapter 5. Creating a poster to promote the gallery. Introducción al arte promoción. How to highlight key visuals with bold colors, titles, and central images. Role of slogans and call to action CTA phrases. Practice activity. Design a promotional poster using Canva. Choose one standout artwork as the poster center. Write the title, slogan, and exhibition date. Chapter 6. Creating an online album on Hailuo. Guide to registering and using Hailuo. How to create an account. How to start a new album. How to place each image into its own room within the album. Practice activity. Each student uploads an album with 3 to 5 artworks. Edit album titles and add an overall description. Chapter 7. Designing the gallery interface. Introduce layout templates for exhibitions. Circular layout, Z-pattern, light path layouts. Practice activity. Use Canva to design a background, e.g. gallery floor, frames. Combine previous artworks into a cohesive visual layout. Practice guiding the viewer's eye across the gallery. Chapter 8. Adding effects and personal touches. Guide to using lighting effects and shadows in Canva. Add personalized elements. Author's signature. Creation date. Artistic icons or small emotion symbols. Practice activity. Students apply 3 different effects to 1 selected artwork. Chapter 9. Sharing and spreading the art. How to share artworks online. How to copy the Hailuo album link. How to screenshot and post on Facebook or Instagram. How to write engaging captions like, "What do you think of this artwork?" or "Here's how I used AI to turn my photo into art." Practice activity. Each student shares their work on at least 1 platform and submits a screenshot. Chapter 10. Exhibition and feedback. Host an online exhibition. Students share their albums in the class group. Everyone views and comments on each other's work. Presentation skills practice. Each student presents one artwork explaining the inspiration, process, and their reflections. Feedback tips. Provide sample sentences for giving positive feedback. Encourage emotional responses to peers' artwork. Conclusion, course wrap-up. Summarize what students have learned. Transform personal photos into artistic creations. Professionally design and showcase their gallery. Present and receive feedback with confidence. Encourage continued creativity and saving their works as part of a personal art collection. Awesome job today, friends. I'm so proud of how hard you worked and how creative you were. Don't forget to keep exploring, keep imagining, and most of all, keep having fun while learning. I can't wait to see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care and see you soon.